How do we end?
How do we end?
마무리는 어떻게?
How do we get there?
How do we get there?
거기에 어떻게 가죠?
How do we look?
How do we look?
우리 어때요?
How do we say bye?
How do we say bye?
어떻게 마무리하지?
How do we study English?
How do we study English?
우리 영어 공부를 어떻게 해요?
How do you afford it?
How do you afford it?
비용은 어떻게 감당하십니까?
How do you attract tenants?
How do you attract tenants?
어떻게 세입자들을 모집하실 건가요?
How do you call these?
How do you call these?
이거를 뭐라 하지?
How do you call this?
How do you call this?
이걸 뭐라고 하지?
How do you come here?
How do you come here?
여기 어떻게 온다고 합니까?
How do you consider it?
How do you consider it?
어떻게 고려하고 계세요?
How do you cook this?
How do you cook this?
이거 어떻게 요리해?
How do you disseminate that?
How do you disseminate that?
어떻게 그것을 유포했죠?
How do you do it?
How do you do it?
어떻게 튕겨?
How do you do that?
How do you do that?
어쩜 그렇게 잘하니?
How do you do this?
How do you do this?
이것을 어떻게 하는 겁니까?
How do you do, Doris?
How do you do, Doris?
처음 뵙겠어요, 도리스.
How do you do, Mary?
How do you do, Mary?
처음 뵙겠어요, 메리.
How do you do?
How do you do?
처음 뵙겠습니다.
How do you eat this?
How do you eat this?
이건 어떻게 먹으면 되죠?
How do you fast forward?
How do you fast forward?
빨리 감기는 어떻게 하는 거야?
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
왜 느낌, 기분이 어때요?
How do you feel now?
How do you feel now?
지금 기분이 어떠신가요?
How do you feel today?
How do you feel today?
오늘 컨디션이 어떠세요? 오늘 공 잘 맞으세요?
How do you feel, Dad?
How do you feel, Dad?
아빠, 기분이 어때요?
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
기분 어때?
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
왜 느낌, 기분이 어때요?
How do you figure that?
How do you figure that?
왜 그렇게 생각하는데?
How do you find Korea?
How do you find Korea?
한국에 대한 소감이 어떻습니까?
How do you fix this?
How do you fix this?
어떻게 이것을 고쳐?
How do you get home?
How do you get home?
집에 어떻게 가니?
How do you get it?
How do you get it?
어떻게 하는 거야, 너네?
How do you get there?
How do you get there?
거기에는 어떻게 갑니까?
How do you greet people?
How do you greet people?
여러분은 사람들과 어떻게 인사하나요?
How do you hear me?
How do you hear me?
감도가 어때요?
How do you keep fit?
How do you keep fit?
어떻게 그렇게 건강하십니까?
How do you know him?
How do you know him?
그와는 어떤 관계입니까?
How do you know it?
How do you know it?
어떻게 알았어?
How do you know that?
How do you know that?
넌 그걸 어떻게 아니?
How do you know?
How do you know?
어떻게 알아?
How do you like?
How do you like?
는 어떻게 해드릴까요? 가 어때요?
How do you like America?
How do you like America?
미국 생활이 어떻습니까?
How do you like America?
How do you like America?
미국은 어때요?
How do you like coffee?
How do you like coffee?
커피 어떻게 마셔?
How do you like dramas?
How do you like dramas?
드라마는 어때?
How do you like fatherhood?
How do you like fatherhood?
아빠 노릇은 어떠십니까?
How do you like her?
How do you like her?
그 여자가 어떤가요?
How do you like here?
How do you like here?
여기 좋아하세요?
How do you like him?
How do you like him?
그 사람이 마음에 드세요?
How do you like it?
How do you like it?
굉장하지.
How do you like it?
How do you like it?
어떠세요?
How do you like Korea?
How do you like Korea?
한국이 어떻습니까? 마음에 드시는지요?
How do you like Munich?
How do you like Munich?
뮌헨은 어떤 것 같아요?
How do you like music?
How do you like music?
그 음악 어때요?
How do you like school?
How do you like school?
학교 생활은 어때요?
How do you like that?
How do you like that?
그건 어때?
How do you like that?
How do you like that?
그게 마음에 드십니까?
How's this dress?
How is this dress?
이 옷 어때?
How is this possible?
How is this possible?
어떻게 이런 일이 가능할까요?
How is this Saturday?
How is this Saturday?
이번 주 토요일은 어떻습니까?
How is time travel possible?
How is time travel possible?
어떻게 시간 여행이 가능한 거야?
How is Tom?
How is Tom?
탐 어때?
How is tomorrow?
How is tomorrow?
내일은 어떻습니까?
How is Trix?
How is Trix?
무슨 재미있는 일 없을까요?
How is your /the cough?
How is your /the cough?
기침은 어떻습니까?
How is your appetite?
How is your appetite?
식욕은 어떻습니까?
How is your boyfriend?
How is your boyfriend?
당신 애인은 어떠세요?
How is your brother today?
How is your brother today?
형은 오늘 어때요?
How is your business doing?
How is your business doing?
요즘 경기가 어떻습니까?
How is your business going?
How is your business going?
사업은 잘 되십니까?
How is your business?
How is your business?
사업은 어때요?
How is your cholesterol level?
How is your cholesterol level?
당신 콜레스테롤 수치가 어때요?
How is your condition now?
How is your condition now?
지금은 상태가 어때요?
How is your condition?
How is your condition?
몸 상태는 어떻습니까?
How is your cough?
How is your cough?
기침은 어떻습니까?
How is your day going?
How is your day going?
오늘 재미가 어떠세요?
How is your day today?
How is your day today?
당신의 오늘은 어떤가요?
How is your diet?
How is your diet?
어떤 식사를 하고 계십니까?
How is your doctor?
How is your doctor?
담당 의사는 어떻습니까?
How is your driving record?
How is your driving record?
운전 기록 카드는 어떤 상태인가요?
How is your employee turnover?
How is your employee turnover?
비사 직원 이직률은 어때요?
How many apples are there?
How many apples are there?
몇 개의 사과가 있어요?
How many are playing?
How many are playing?
몇 명이서 하려고 하세요?
How many are there?
How many are there?
몇 명이나 있는데?
How many are with you?
How many are with you?
일행이 몇 분이십니까?
How many are you?
How many are you?
몇 명이세요?
How many bags of ramen?
How many bags of ramen?
몇 개 끓이면 될까요?
How much will it be?
How much will it be?
요금이 얼마나 나올까요?
How much will it cost?
How much will it cost?
얼마나 나올까?
How much will one cost?
How much will one cost?
하나에 얼마예요?
How much will that be?
How much will that be?
가격은 얼마 됩니까?
However, she doesn't have money.
However, she doesn't have money.
하지만 돈이 충분하지가 않다.
How do you like these?
How do you like these?
이것들은 어떻습니까?
How do you like this?
How do you like this?
이것은 어떻습니까? 좋습니까? 싫습니까?
How do you like?
How do you like?
는 어떻게 해드릴까요? 가 어때요? 좋고 싫음.
How do you make bank?
How do you make bank?
너 어떻게 그렇게 떼돈 버니?
How do you make it?
How do you make it?
어떻게 만드는데?
How do you mean?
How do you mean?
뭔 말이죠?
How do you motivate yourself?
How do you motivate yourself?
어떻게 본인 스스로에게 동기부여를 주나요?
How do you perceive music?
How do you perceive music?
음악을 어떻게 이해하고 계세요?
How do you prepare that?
How do you prepare that?
그건 어떻게 요리합니까?
How do you pronounce it?
How do you pronounce it?
어떻게 발음해요?
How do you pronounce that?
How do you pronounce that?
그걸 어떻게 읽지?
How do you pronounce this?
How do you pronounce this?
이것은 어떻게 소리내야 하나요?
How do you pronounce vanilla?
How do you pronounce vanilla?
바닐라 발음 어떻게 해요?
How do you read it?
How do you read it?
당신은 그것을 어떻게 읽어요?
How do you recycle?
How do you recycle?
재활용은 어떻게 할까?
How do you relieve fatigue?
How do you relieve fatigue?
당신은 스트레스를 어떻게 푸십니까?
How do you relieve stress?
How do you relieve stress?
스트레스를 어떻게 푸십니까?
How do you sleep tight?
How do you sleep tight?
너는 어떻게 푹 자니?
How do you spell email?
How do you spell email?
이메일의 스펠링이 어떻게 되죠?
How do you spell it?
How do you spell it?
그것의 스펠링이 어떻게 됩니까?
How do you spell Melbourne?
How do you spell Melbourne?
멜번 스펠링이 어떻게 돼요?
How do you spell orange?
How do you spell orange?
오렌지 철자가 어떻게 되죠?
How do you spell orange?
How do you spell orange?
오렌지 철자가 어떻게 되죠?
How do you spell Stallone?
How do you spell Stallone?
스텔로는 어떻게 써요?
How do you spell that?
How do you spell that?
철자가 어떻게 됩니까?
How do you stay fit?
How do you stay fit?
몸매 관리의 비결은?
How do you stay motivated?
How do you stay motivated?
의욕을 잃지 않는 비결은 무엇이죠?
How do you stay slim?
How do you stay slim?
어떻게 날씬한 몸매를 유지하니?
How do you think?
How do you think?
당신을 어떻게 생각하나요?
How do you think?
How do you think?
어때 보여요?
How do you think?
How do you think?
당신을 어떻게 생각하나요?
How do you use chopsticks?
How do you use chopsticks?
젓가락을 어떻게 사용해요?
How do you use Kakao Talk?
How do you use Kakao Talk?
카톡 어떻게 해요?
How do you wake up?
How do you wake up?
어떻게 깨세요?
How do you want to bet?
How do you want to bet?
어떻게 내기를 하고 싶나요?
How do you want it?
How do you want it?
어떻게 해드릴까요?
How do you want to?
How do you want to?
어떻게 하기를 원하죠?
How do you want to?
How do you want to?
어떻게 하기를 원하죠?
How do you wind down?
How do you wind down?
어떻게 긴장을 푸시나요?
How do you work this?
How do you work this?
이것은 어떻게 작동시키는 겁니까?
How does 4 sound?
How does force sound?
내신은 어떠세요?
How does call waiting work?
How does call waiting work?
통화 대기는 어떻게 사용하는 겁니까?
How does echolocation work?
How does echolocation work?
반향 위치 측정이 어떻게 일을 합니까?
How does he do it?
How does he do it?
어떻게 그렇게 잘한대?
How does he explain that?
How does he explain that?
그건 어떻게 설명하던가요?
How does he extricate information?
How does he extricate information?
그는 어떻게 정보를 빼내는 것일까?
How does he go there?
How does he go there?
그는 거기에 어떻게 가나요?
How does he look like?
How does he look like?
어떻게 생겼는데?
How does he look?
How does he look?
그가 어때 보여요?
How does he use it?
How does he use it?
그 돈을 어디다 쓴대요?
How does Instagram go?
How does Instagram go?
인스타그램 노래가 뭐지?
How does it do that?
How does it do that?
어떻게 그렇게 할까?
How does it feel?
How does it feel?
느낌이 어떻죠?
How does it fit?
How does it fit?
사이즈가 잘 맞나요?
How does it go over?
How does it go over?
반응이 어땠어?
How does it go?
How does it go?
어떻게 되었습니까?
How does it grow up?
How does it grow up?
불가사리는 어떻게 자랄까?
How does it handle?
How does it handle?
그것은 어떻게 작동되나요?
How does it hurt?
How does it hurt?
어떻게 아프세요?
How does it look?
How does it look?
어떻게 보여?
How does it make sense?
How does it make sense?
그게 어떻게 말이 돼?
How does it taste?
How does it taste?
맛이 어때요?
How does it work?
How does it work?
이것은 어떻게 작동할까?
How does my mustache look?
How does my mustache look?
내 수염 어때요?
How does my suit look?
How does my suit look?
내 양복 어때요?
How does one achieve flow?
How does one achieve flow?
어떻게 하면 사람들은 몰입을 할 수 있을까요?
How does soul strike you?
How does soul strike you?
서울의 첫인상이 어때요?
How does 7 sound?
How does seven sound?
7시는 어때요?
How does she feel now?
How does she feel now?
지금 그녀의 기분은 어떻습니까?
How does she know that?
How does she know that?
그녀가 그걸 어떻게 알지?
How does 10 bucks sound?
How does 10 bucks sound?
10달러면 되겠냐?
How does that feel?
How does that feel?
느낌이 어때요?
How does that grab you?
How does that grab you?
그것에 대해 어떻게 생각하세요?
How does that look, sir?
How does that look, sir?
어떻습니까? 손님,
How does that song go?
How does that song go?
저 노래가 어떻게 되지?
How does that sound?
How does that sound?
그거 어때?
How does that work?
How does that work?
어떻게 찾아보죠?
How does the boy look?
How does the boy look?
소녀는 어때 보이나요?
How does the brandy taste?
How does the brandy taste?
브랜디 맛이 어떻습니까?
How does the crop promise?
How does the crop promise?
농작물의 작황은 어떻습니까?
How does the film end?
How does the film end?
그 영화의 결말은 어떻습니까?
How does the food taste?
How does the food taste?
음식 맛이 어때요?
How does the girl look?
How does the girl look?
소녀는 어떻게 보이나요?
How does the hamburger taste?
How does the hamburger taste?
햄버거 맛이 어때요?
How does the man look?
How does the man look?
남자의 표정은 어떤가요?
How does the sandwich taste?
How does the sandwich taste?
샌드위치 맛이 어때요?
How does the sky look?
How does the sky look?
하늘이 어떻게 보이나요?
How does the soup taste?
How does the soup taste?
이 스프 맛이 어때요?
How does the spaghetti taste?
How does the spaghetti taste?
스파게티 맛이 어때요?
How does the spelling go?
How does the spelling go?
스펠링을 좀 불러주시겠어요?
How does the story end?
How does the story end?
그 얘기는 어떻게 끝나요?
How does the Wednesday sound?
How does the Wednesday sound?
수요일이 어때요?
How does the woman look?
How does the woman look?
여자는 어떻게 보이나요?
How does this affect you?
How does this affect you?
이것으로 어떤 영향을 받고 계시나요?
How does this feel?
How does this feel?
느낌이 어떤가요?
How does this look?
How does this look?
이건 어때 보여?
How does this outbreak compare?
How does this outbreak compare?
이번 발생과 어떻게 비교해 보십니까?
How does this picture work?
How does this picture work?
이 사진으로 어떻게 작업을 합니까?
How does this song go?
How does this song go?
이 노래는 어떻게 부르나요?
How does this sound?
How does this sound?
어때요? 이래도 하지, 사지, 응하지 않으시겠어요?
How does this whiskey drink?
How does this whiskey drink?
이 위스키, 내 맛은 어떻습니까? 마실 만합니까?
How does this work?
How does this work?
이거 어떻게 작동해요?
How does 3 o'clock look?
How does 3 o'clock look?
3시가 어때요?
How does 3 o'clock sound?
How does 3 o'clock sound?
3시는 어때요?
How does tomorrow sound?
How does tomorrow sound?
내일은 어때요?
How does Tuesday sound?
How does Tuesday sound?
다음 주 화요일은 어떠세요?
How does your day start?
How does your day start?
본인의 하루를 어떻게 시작하나요?
How does your dessert taste?
How does your dessert taste?
디저트 맛이 어때요?
How does your steak taste?
How does your steak taste?
스테이크 맛이 어때요?
How does your water taste?
How does your water taste?
물 맛은 어때?
How dreadful of you.
How dreadful of you.
그 꼬락서니가 뭐냐?
How early are you open?
How early are you open?
언제 가게문 열지요?
How easy is that?
How easy is that?
이 얼마나 편안한 일인가?
How easy it is.
How easy it is.
그거 정말 쉬워.
How easy should we go?
How easy should we go?
제가 얼마나 쌀쌀해져야 해요?
How easy was that?
How easy was that?
얼마나 쉬운 건데?
How embarrassing it is.
How embarrassing it is.
생각만 해도 낯 뜨거운 일이다.
How embarrassing.
How embarrassing.
아, 쪽팔려.
How everything with you.
How everything with you.
여러 일이 잘 돼갑니까?
How exactly.
How exactly.
정확히 말해서 어떡해요?
How exasperating.
How exasperating.
너무 약올라.
How exciting the game is.
How exciting the game is.
얼마나 흥미진진한가.
How exciting the game is.
How exciting the game is.
정말 흥미진진한 게임이야.
How exciting the game was.
How exciting the game was.
그 경기는 정말 신났어.
How exciting.
How exciting.
대단한데.
How exorbitant.
How exorbitant.
엄청나게 비싸군.
How far along are you?
How far along are you?
얼마나 읽었어요?
How far are we?
How far are we?
얼마나 멀어?
How far are you going?
How far are you going?
어디까지 가십니까?
How far back are you?
How far back are you?
어디까지 거슬러 가신 겁니까?
How far did I get?
How far did I get?
어디까지 말했죠?
How far did you get?
How far did you get?
어디까지 하셨습니까?
How far did you go?
How far did you go?
너희들 어디까지 간 거야?
How far did you walk?
How far did you walk?
얼마나 멀리 걸었니?
How far do swallows travel?
How far do swallows travel?
제비는 얼마나 멀리 여행하나요?
How far do you commute?
How far do you commute?
얼마나 멀리서 출퇴근을 하세요?
How far do you remember?
How far do you remember?
어디까지 기억나니?
How far does it go?
How far does it go?
이거 언제까지 가?
How far from Seoul Station?
How far from Seoul Station?
서울역에서 얼마나 걸립니까?
How far from the bank?
How far from the bank?
은행에서 얼마나 걸립니까?
How far have they come?
How far have they come?
어디까지 왔어?
How far is it?
How far is it?
얼마나 멉니까?
How far is Busan?
How far is Busan?
부산은 얼마나 멀죠?
How far is Shibuya?
How far is Shibuya?
시부야까지 얼마나 멀어요?
How far is the castle?
How far is the castle?
그 성이 얼마나 멉니까?
How far is the station?
How far is the station?
역까지는 얼마나 멀어요?
How far off is it?
How far off is it?
얼마나 떨어져 있습니까?
How far out are they?
How far out are they?
그들은 얼마나 떨어져 있죠?
How far to the pin?
How far to the pin?
핀까지 거리가 얼마입니까?
How far was the church?
How far was the church?
교회가 얼마나 멀지?
How far will he go?
How far will he go?
그의 기록은 어디까지 갈 것인가?
How far?
How far?
얼마나 멉니까?
How fares it with you?
How fares it with you?
어떻습니까? 잘 되어 갑니까?
How fast can humans run?
How fast can humans run?
인간은 얼마나 빨리 달릴 수 있는가?
How fast can you drive?
How fast can you drive?
어느 정도 빨리 달릴 수 있니?
How fast can you go?
How fast can you go?
얼마나 빨리 갈 수 있어요?
How fast can you throw?
How fast can you throw?
너는 공을 얼마나 빨리 던질 수 있니?
How fast can you type?
How fast can you type?
타자는 얼마나 빨리 치십니까?
How fast has this happened?
How fast has this happened?
이것이 얼마나 빨리 일어났나요?
How fast he runs?
How fast he runs?
그는 정말 빨리 달린다.
How fast he spoke?
How fast he spoke?
그가 얼마나 빨리 말했는지.
How fast he swims?
How fast he swims?
그는 정말로 빨리 수영하는구나.
How fast is it?
How fast is it?
얼마나 빠른데?
How fast she runs?
How fast she runs?
그녀는 달리는 게 정말 빠르구나.
How fast the train runs?
How fast the train runs?
그 열차가 얼마나 빨리 달리는지.
How fast time flies?
How fast time flies?
시간 참 쏜살같이 흐르네요.
How fast were you going?
How fast were you going?
얼마나 빨리 달렸는데요.
How fast?
How fast?
정말 빠르구나.
How flattering?
How flattering?
너무 아첨하는 것 같네요.
How fluent is her French?
How fluent is her French?
그녀는 얼마나 프랑스어를 잘하니?
How foolish of me?
How foolish of me?
얼마나 바보 같아요.
How foolish you are?
How foolish you are?
너는 정말 어리석구나.
How foolish?
How foolish?
정말 어리석구나.
How frequent are the flights?
How frequent are the flights?
얼마나 자주 항공편이 있습니까?
How frequently does it run?
How frequently does it run?
얼마 간격으로 떠납니까?
How frivolous I was.
How frivolous I was.
제가 어찌나 경박했는지 모릅니다.
How frustrating.
How frustrating.
당황스러워라.
How fucking pathetic is that?
How fucking pathetic is that?
얼마나 가슴 아픈 일이냐?
How fun was it?
How fun was it?
얼마나 재미있었어.
How funny.
How funny.
너무 웃긴다.
How gauche.
How gauche.
어유 촌스럽구만.
How glad you must be.
How glad you must be.
퍽 기쁘시겠습니다.
How go to department store.
How go to department store.
백화점에 가려면 어떻게 가죠?
How goes it?
How goes it?
어떻게 지내십니까?
How goes it with you?
How goes it with you?
요새 사업은 잘 되고 있나?
How goes it?
How goes it?
안녕. 어때? How are you?의 편한 표현.
How goes the enemy?
How goes the enemy?
지금 몇 시냐?
How goes the fine-tooth combing?
How goes the fine-tooth combing?
정밀 수사는 잘 되고 있어요?
How goes?
How goes?
요즘은 어때? 스스럼 없이 말할 때.
How good is Rick's serve?
How good is Rick's serve?
릭의 서브는 어때?
How good is your eyesight?
How good is your eyesight?
시력이 얼마나 됩니까?
How good is your Japanese?
How good is your Japanese?
일본어 실력은 어느 정도나 되시는지요?
How good it smells?
How good it smells?
좋은 향기네요.
How good of you?
How good of you?
정말 고맙군요.
How good the boy is?
How good the boy is?
참 착한 소년이군요.
How good they smell?
How good they smell?
좋은 향기가 나네요.
How great I am?
How great I am?
난 얼마나 대단한가.
How had it happened?
How had it happened?
이런 일이 어떻게 일어났을까?
How happy I am?
How happy I am?
난 너무 행복해.
How happy would you be?
How happy would you be?
여러분은 얼마나 행복해질 수 있을까?
How hard are we talking?
How hard are we talking?
어느 정도 단단한 것인가?
How hard could it be?
How hard could it be?
어려워 봤자지.
How hard did you try?
How hard did you try?
얼마나 열심히 했어요.
How hard is not important.
How hard is not important.
얼마나 어려운지는 중요하지 않아.
How hard you try.
How hard you try.
너가 얼마나 열심히 했는지.
How has he been doing?
How has he been doing?
어떻게 하고 있어?
How has Japan impressed you?
How has Japan impressed you?
일본에서는 어떤 인상을 받았나요?
How has your family been?
How has your family been?
가족들은 잘 지내지?
How have they done it?
How have they done it?
그들이 어떻게 그 일을 해냈을까요?
How have things been going?
How have things been going?
어떻게 지내고 계세요?
How have things been?
How have things been?
어떻게 지내셨어요?
How have you?
How have you?
당신 어떻게 하고 있나요?
How have you accomplished this?
How have you accomplished this?
어떻게 이런 성과를 거둘 수 있었나요?
How have you been feeling?
How have you been feeling?
어떻게 지내셨습니까?
How have you been doing?
How have you been doing?
어떻게 지내셨어요?
How have you been lately?
How have you been lately?
요즘 어떻게 지내십니까?
How have you been feeling?
How have you been feeling?
어떻게 지내셨습니까?
How have you been?
How have you been?
잘 지냈어. 잘 있었어. 어떻게 지냈어?
How have you?
How have you?
당신 어떻게 하고 있나요?
How he brags.
How he brags.
그 친구 되게 허풍 떠는군.
How he irritates me.
How he irritates me.
자식 약 올리네.
How he, you know.
How he, you know.
조이가 있잖아.
How healthy I am.
How healthy I am.
난 너무 건강해.
How heartless you are.
How heartless you are.
어떻게 그렇게 무정할 수가 있어요?
How heavy are you?
How heavy are you?
몸무게 얼마예요?
How heavy is this box?
How heavy is this box?
이 상자는 얼마나 무겁습니까?
How heavy is this computer?
How heavy is this computer?
이 컴퓨터는 얼마나 무거워요?
How heavy is this parcel?
How heavy is this parcel?
이 소포의 무게가 얼마입니까?
How heavy is your bag?
How heavy is your bag?
여러분의 가방은 얼마나 무겁나요?
How her chest sticks out.
How her chest sticks out.
그녀는 젖가슴이 꽤 나았군.
How high can you count?
How high can you count?
넌 몇 가지 셀 수 있니?
How high is Mount Everest?
How high is Mount Everest?
에베레스트 산은 얼마나 높아요?
How high is that building?
How high is that building?
그 건물은 얼마나 높아?
How high is that hill?
How high is that hill?
저 언덕은 얼마나 높습니까?
How high is that mountain?
How high is that mountain?
저 산은 높이가 얼마나 됩니까?
How high is the building?
How high is the building?
빌딩이 얼마나 높지요?
How hot is it outside?
How hot is it outside?
밖이 얼마나 더운데?
How hot is the sun?
How hot is the sun?
태양은 얼마나 뜨거운가요?
How hot is this?
How hot is this?
정말 흥분되는걸?
How hot it is today?
How hot it is today?
오늘은 참 덥네요.
How hot it is?
How hot it is?
정말 덥다.
How hungry are you guys?
How hungry are you guys?
당신들 배가 얼마나 고픈가?
How hungry are you now?
How hungry are you now?
지금 얼마나 배고파요?
How I despise that woman.
How I despise that woman.
제가 얼마나 그 여자를 경멸하는지요.
How I envy your luck.
How I envy your luck.
당신의 행운이 참 부럽군요.
How I feel like crying.
How I feel like crying.
아, 울고 싶구나.
How I forget.
How I forget.
어떻게 내가 있겠어요?
How I met your mother.
How I met your mother.
내가 너희 엄마를 어떻게 만났는지.
How I pull pranks.
How I pull pranks.
장난기 뭐.
How impolite.
How impolite.
이렇게 뻔뻔스러울 때가.
How impudent he is.
How impudent he is.
참으로 뻔뻔한 놈이로고.
How impudent you are.
How impudent you are.
너 정말 뻔뻔하구나.
How impudent.
How impudent.
참 뻔뻔하구나.
How incredible.
How incredible.
어떻게 대단했니?
How infuriating.
How infuriating.
정말 화나요.
How interesting they are.
How interesting they are.
정말 재미있는 분들이셔.
How interesting this story is.
How interesting this story is.
이 이야기는 정말 재미있구나.
How interesting.
How interesting.
정말 흥미롭습니다.
How ironic is that?
How ironic is that?
정말 아이러니 하셨겠어요.
How ironic.
How ironic.
참 역설적이네요.
How irritating.
How irritating.
정말 짜증나네요.
How is slash your trade?
How is slash your trade?
장사는 어떻습니까?
How is one holding up?
How is one holding up?
아픈 사람의 상태가 어떠세요?
How is cloth measured?
How is cloth measured?
천은 어떻게 재요?
How is everything going?
How is everything going?
모두 잘 되고 있어요?
How is everything these days?
How is everything these days?
요새 어떻게 지내고 계세요?
How is everything with you?
How is everything with you?
여러 일이 잘 되어 갑니까?
How is everything?
How is everything?
식사는 어떠세요?
How is he called?
How is he called? Me.
그의 이름이 무엇입니까?
How is he calling?
How is he calling?
이거 전화 어떻게 하는 거야?
How is he coming along?
How is he coming along?
그는 어떻게 지내 요즘?
How is he getting along?
How is he getting along?
그는 어떻게 지내고 있지요?
How is he? Any better?
How is he? Any better?
그는 어때요? 좀 나아졌어요.
How is Helen?
How is Helen?
헬런은 어떻게 지냅니까?
How is it coming along?
How is it coming along?
그거 잘 돼가니?
How is it coming?
How is it coming?
어떻게 돼가요?
How is it cooked slash prepared?
How is it cooked slash prepared?
어떤 식으로 요리합니까?
How is it going there?
How is it going there?
현지 상황은 어떻습니까?
How is it going?
How is it going?
어떻게 지내십니까?
How is it like that?
How is it like that?
어쩜 이래?
How is it outside?
How is it outside?
밖은 어때?
How is it possible?
How is it possible?
그것이 어떻게 가능할까?
How is it running?
How is it running?
배터리는 어때?
How is it served?
How is it served?
어떻게 음식이 차려졌나요?
How is it spelled?
How is it spelled?
이름 철자가 어떻게 되는지요?
How is it tilted?
How is it tilted?
어떻게 삐뚤어져 있는 거지?
How is it working out?
How is it working out?
그것의 결과가 어떻습니까?
How is it?
How is it?
어떻습니까?
How is land usually measured?
How is land usually measured?
섬은 보통 어떻게 재나요?
How is Mr. Jones?
How is Mr. Jones?
존슨 씨는 어떠세요?
How is Mr. Kaneko?
How is Mr. Kaneko?
카네코 씨 어떻게 지내세요?
How is my English?
How is my English?
내 영어 어때요?
How is next Saturday?
How is next Saturday?
다음 주 토요일은 어떻습니까?
How is poetry separated?
How is poetry separated?
시는 어떻게 나뉘는가?
How is Professor Nishino doing?
How is Professor Nishino doing?
니시노 교수님을 어떻게 지내세요?
How is retirement treating you?
How is retirement treating you?
퇴직하고 나니 살만하니?
How is she doing?
How is she doing?
어떻게 지낸대?
How is she running?
How is she running?
어때? 자네 차 잘 굴러?
How is stomach cancer diagnosed?
How is stomach cancer diagnosed?
위암은 어떻게 진단되죠?
How is that again?
How is that again?
어떻게 하는 거라고 했죠?
How is that cooked?
How is that cooked?
그건 어떻게 요리합니까?
How is that for high?
How is that for high?
어때? 굉장하지 않은가?
How is that for impudent? Impudence.
How is that for impudent? Impudence.
아니 이거 되게 뻔뻔스럽기도 하구나.
How is that new employee?
How is that new employee?
새로 온 직원은 어때?
How is that possible?
How is that possible?
어떻게 그럴 수가 있지?
How is that worse?
How is that worse?
그게 어째서 더 나빠?
How is the slash your steak?
How is this slash your steak?
스테이크는 어떻습니까?
How is the business doing?
How is the business doing?
사업은 어떠세요?
How is the dollar today?
How is the dollar today?
오늘 달러 시세는 얼마인가요?
How is the flavor?
How is the flavor?
맛이 어때?
How is the food?
How is the food?
음식은 어떻습니까?
How is the glass?
How is the glass?
천국의 날씨는 어때요?
How is the interior described?
How is the interior described?
실내 장식은 어떻게 묘사되고 있는가?
How is the job going?
How is the job going?
하시는 일은 잘 되시는지요?
How is the man traveling?
How is the man traveling?
남자는 무엇을 타고 다니고 있는가?
How is the negotiation going?
How is the negotiation going?
교섭은 진행되고 있어요.
How is the new employee?
How is the new employee?
신입사원 어때요?
How is the patient?
How is the patient?
환자의 상태는 어떻습니까?
How is the renovations going?
How is the renovations going?
개조공사는 어떻게 되어가고 있어요?
How is the rice crop?
How is the rice crop?
벼의 수확은 어떻습니까?
How is the Seoul subway?
How is the Seoul subway?
서울의 지하철은 어떤가요?
How is the situation there?
How is the situation there?
그곳 상황은 어떻습니까?
How is the size?
How is the size?
사이즈는 어떻습니까?
How is the soup?
How is the soup?
수프 어떻게 돼가?
How is the taste?
How is the taste?
맛이 어때요?
How is the weather now?
How is the weather now?
날씨가 어떻지?
How is the weather there?
How is the weather there?
그쪽 날씨는 어때요?
How is the weather today?
How is the weather today?
오늘은 날씨가 어떻습니까?
How is the weather today?
How is the weather today?
오늘 날씨 어때요?
How is the weather?
How is the weather?
날씨가 어떻습니까?
How is your English?
How is your English?
영어는 어때?
How is your enteritis?
How is your enteritis?
괜찮아요. 장염.
How's your eyesight?
How is your eyesight?
여러분의 시력은 어떤가요?
How is your family doing?
How is your family doing?
가족은 잘 계시죠?
How's your family?
How is your family?
가족들은 안녕하세요.
How is your feeling today?
How is your feeling today?
오늘은 좀 어떠니?
How's your food?
How is your food?
음식이 어떤가요?
How's your friend Jennifer?
How is your friend Jennifer?
내 친구 제니퍼 어떠니?
How's your grandma, Andy?
How is your grandma, Andy?
너희 할머니는 어떻게 지내시니, 앤디?
How's your grandmother?
How is your grandmother?
너의 할머니는 어떠시니?
How's your health?
How is your health?
요즘 건강은 어떠세요?
How's your husband doing?
How is your husband doing?
요즘 남편은 어때?
How's your mom?
How is your mom?
어머니는 어떠시니?
How's your mother doing?
How is your mother doing?
당신의 어머니는 어떻게 지내세요?
How's your mother keeping?
How is your mother keeping?
너의 어머니는 어떻게 지내시냐?
How is your mother?
How is your mother?
당신 어머니는 어떠십니까?
How is your new apartment?
How is your new apartment?
새 아파트는 어때?
How's your nose?
How is your nose?
당신 코는 어때요?
How's your physical condition?
How is your physical condition?
몸은 불편하신데 없으시지요?
How's your project going?
How is your project going?
당신 사업 계획은 어떻게 되어가고 있습니까?
How's your school life?
How is your school life?
학교 생활 어때요?
How's your stomach/tummy?
How is your stomach/tummy?
위의 상태는 어떻습니까?
How's your trip?
How is your trip?
당신의 여행은 어떠세요?
How's your urination?
How is your urination?
소변 보시기는 어떠하십니까?
How's your weekend going?
How is your weekend going?
너의 주말은 어때?
How's your weekend?
How is your weekend?
주말은 어떻게 보내셨나요?
How's your work going?
How is your work going?
일이 순조로워요.
How's your workout going?
How is your workout going?
요즘 운동 어떻게 되고 있어요?
How's your younger sister?
How is your younger sister?
너의 여동생은 어떻게 지내니?
How it got better?
How it got better?
어떻게 좋아졌는지?
How it rained?
How it rained?
어떻게나 비가 오던지?
How it rains?
How it rains?
정말 지독한 비로구나.
How itchy is it?
How itchy is it?
얼마나 가려운데?
How it's laid to rest?
How it's laid to rest?
어떻게 사랑이 휴식을 주는가요?
How kind she is?
How kind she is?
얼마나 친절한가?
How kind is that?
How kind is that?
너무나도 친절하죠.
How kind she is?
How kind she is?
그녀는 참 친절해.
How kind you are?
How kind you are?
아주 친절하시네요.
How kind your GF is?
How kind your GF is?
너의 여자친구는 정말 친절하구나.
How kind?
How kind?
정말 친절하구나.
How lame can you get?
How lame can you get?
이것보다 더 바보 같을 수는 없어.
How large is the membership?
How large is the membership?
회원 수가 얼마나 됩니까?
How large is the room?
How large is the room?
그 방의 크기는 얼마나 됩니까?
How large is your company?
How large is your company?
당신의 회사의 규모는 얼마나 큽니까?
How large is your family?
How large is your family?
가족이 몇 명이나 되세요?
How large is your party?
How large is your party?
일행이 몇 분이십니까?
How large is your room?
How large is your room?
당신 방은 얼마나 크죠?
How large your family?
How large your family?
식구가 몇 명입니까?
How late are they open?
How late are they open?
그들은 몇 시까지 영업해요?
How late are we?
How late are we?
우리 얼마나 늦은 거야?
How late are you open?
How late are you open?
몇 시까지 가게를 엽니까?
How late do you open?
How late do you open?
언제까지 영업합니까?
How late is it open?
How late is it open?
몇 시까지 엽니까?
How late were you?
How late were you?
얼마나 늦었는데요?
How late will it be?
How late will it be?
언제까지, 얼마나 늦게까지 됩니까?
How late will it run?
How late will it run?
그런데 몇 시까지 하나요?
How late will you be?
How late will you be?
얼마나 늦어질 것 같아요?
How lazy you are.
How lazy you are.
너 진짜 게으르다.
How lies the land?
How lies the land?
그 땅은 형세가 어떻습니까?
How long ago was that?
How long ago was that?
언제 그런 건데?
How long ago was this?
How long ago was this?
이거 얼마나 오래된 거지?
How long are you staying?
How long are you staying?
얼마나 머무르시나요?
How long are your holidays?
How long are your holidays?
당신은 언제까지 쉬나요?
How long can you swim?
How long can you swim?
얼마나 멀리 수영할 수 있나요?
How long could it last?
How long could it last?
과연 얼마나 버틸 수 있을까?
How long did it last?
How long did it last?
얼마나 오래 걸렸습니까?
How long did it take?
How long did it take?
얼마나 걸렸죠?
How long did you travel?
How long did you travel?
얼마 동안 여행 다닌 거예요?
How long do I live?
How long do I live?
전 얼마나 살 수 있나요?
How long do I wait?
How long do I wait?
내가 얼마나 기다리는 거지?
How long do insects live?
How long do insects live?
곤충들은 얼마나 오래 사나요?
How long do you normally?
How long do you normally?
보통 얼마나 오래 해요?
How long does it last?
How long does it last?
언제까지 계속됩니까?
How long does it take?
How long does it take?
얼마나 걸리는데?
How long does that take?
How long does that take?
그럼 얼마나 걸려?
How long does this take?
How long does this take?
이 음식은 얼마나 걸려요?
How long has it been?
How long has it been?
이게 얼마만이야?
How long have you been?
How long have you been?
지 얼마나 됐어요?
How long have you been?
How long have you been?
네, 얼마나 오래 있었나요?
How long have you?
How long have you?
얼마나 오래 했어요?
How long is everyone staying?
How long is everyone staying?
모두들 얼마나 있을 거래?
How long is it available?
How long is it available?
얼마 동안 이용할 수 있나요?
How long is it running?
How long is it running?
영화, 연극, 그것 얼마 동안 해?
How long is it?
How long is it?
기간은 얼마나 되죠?
How long is it? Start.
How long is it? Start.
찬스는, 온라인 찬스는 몇 초예요? 시작하겠습니다.
How long is its warranty?
How long is its warranty?
그것으로 어떻게 생활할 수 있어?
How long is Jones Boulevard?
How long is Jones Boulevard?
존즈 볼러바워드는 길이가 얼마나 됩니까?
How long is our layover?
How long is our layover?
저희가 잠시 머무는 시간이 얼마나 되죠?
How long is Sharon's hair?
How long is Sharon's hair?
샤론의 머리는 얼마나 길죠?
How long is summer vacation?
How long is summer vacation?
여름 방학은 얼마나 되죠?
How long is that bridge?
How long is that bridge?
저 다리는 얼마나 깁니까?
How long is the class?
How long is the class?
수업은 몇 시간이에요?
How long is the delay?
How long is the delay?
어느 정도 늦어집니까?
How long is the flight?
How long is the flight?
비행 시간이 얼마나 돼요?
How long is the guarantee?
How long is the guarantee?
보증 기간은 어느 정도입니까?
How long is the intermission?
How long is the intermission?
휴식 시간이 얼마나 됩니까?
How long is the layover?
How long is the layover?
경유지에서는 얼마나 기다려야 해요?
How long is the lesson?
How long is the lesson?
연습은 몇 시간이에요?
How long is the meeting?
How long is the meeting?
회의는 몇 시간이에요?
How long is the movie?
How long is the movie?
그 영화 얼마나 길어?
How long is the movie?
How long is the movie?
영화 길어?
How long is the quarantine?
How long is the quarantine?
격리 기간 언제까지예요?
How long is the sale?
How long is the sale?
세일 기간이 얼마나 되죠?
How long is the show?
How long is the show?
상연 시간은 어느 정도입니까?
How long is the test?
How long is the test?
시험은 몇 시간이에요?
How long is the training?
How long is the training?
연수 기간은 얼마나 됩니까?
How long is the trip?
How long is the trip?
여행은 얼마나 길어요?
How long is the wait/delay?
How long is the wait/delay?
어느 정도 기다려야 합니까?
How long is the wait?
How long is the wait?
대기가 얼마나 기나요?
How long is the warranty?
How long is the warranty?
이 제품의 보증 기간은 얼마예요?
How long is their stay?
How long is their stay?
얼마나 있다가 가는데?
How long is this bridge?
How long is this bridge?
이 다리는 길이가 얼마나 됩니까?
How long is this flight?
How long is this flight?
비행 시간이 얼마나 됩니까?
How long is this stick?
How long is this stick?
이 지팡이의 길이는 얼마나 되죠?
How long is this table?
How long is this table?
이 테이블은 길이가 얼마나 돼?
How long is this tour?
How long is this tour?
이 투어는 얼마나 걸려요?
How long is this trip?
How long is this trip?
여행 기간이 얼마나 되죠?
How long is tonight's film?
How long is tonight's film?
오늘 밤에 상영되는 영화의 상영 시간은?
How long is warranty?
How long is warranty?
보상 기간이 얼마나 되니?
How long is your commute?
How long is your commute?
출퇴근 시간이 얼마나 걸리는데요?
How long is your flight?
How long is your flight?
비행기는 몇 시간이나 타요?
How long is your holiday?
How long is your holiday?
휴가는 얼마나 돼요?
How long is your tongue?
How long is your tongue?
여러분의 혀는 얼마나 기나요?
How long is your work?
How long is your work?
몇 시간 근무해요?
How long it is?
How long it is?
그것은 얼마나 길어?
How long must I rest?
How long must I rest?
얼마나 오래 쉬어야 합니까?
How long should I wait?
How long should I wait?
얼마나 기다려야 해요?
How long should I?
How long should I?
언제까지 할까요?
How long should it be?
How long should it be?
분량은 어느 정도로 해야 해요?
How long should we wait?
How long should we wait?
얼마나 기다려야 하지요?
How long since you played?
How long since you played?
마지막으로 연주한 지 얼마나 됐소?
How long was I out?
How long was I out?
얼마나 잔 거야?
How long was she away?
How long was she away?
그녀는 얼마나 오래 부재 중이었나요?
How long was the movie?
How long was the movie?
영화가 얼마나 오래 상영되던가요?
How long was the presentation?
How long was the presentation?
발표 시간이 얼마나 됐죠?
How long were you away?
How long were you away?
얼마간 다녀오셨어요?
How long were you there?
How long were you there?
거기에 얼마나 있었는데요?
How long were you traveling?
How long were you traveling?
얼마 동안 여행한 거예요?
How long will it be?
How long will it be?
얼마나 걸리나요?
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
얼마나 걸리겠습니까?
How long will take?
How long will take?
얼마나 걸리나요?
How long will you stay?
How long will you stay?
얼마나 머무르실 겁니까?
How long will you?
How long will you?
당신 얼마나 하실 건가요?
How long would it take?
How long would it take?
얼마나 걸릴까요?
How long?
How long?
얼마나 깁니까? 얼마나 오래 걸립니까?
How long? A couple hours.
How long? A couple hours.
얼마나 오래?
How long's the wait?
How long's the wait?
어느 정도 기다려야 하나요?
How lovely Joanna is.
How lovely Joanna is.
요한나 사랑스러워요.
How lovely she is.
How lovely she is.
그녀가 굉장히 귀엽군요.
How lucky are we?
How lucky are we?
우리 너무 행복하지 않아?
How lucky we are today.
How lucky we are today.
우리는 오늘 정말 운이 좋았어요.
How lucky we are.
How lucky we are.
우리는 참 운이 좋네.
How lucky you are.
How lucky you are.
넌 참 재수가 좋구나.
How maddening.
How maddening.
정말 화나네요.
How many pieces/items are there?
How many pieces/items are there?
개수가 얼마나 됩니까?
How many altogether?
How many altogether?
총 몇 개 맞췄어요.
How many beeps? She answered.
How many beeps? She answered.
삐 소리가 몇 번 났어.
How many can you give?
How many can you give?
몇 개나 주실 수 있는데요?
How many centimeters is that?
How many centimeters is that?
센티미터로 하면 얼마가 됩니까?
How many dailies in Tokyo?
How many dailies in Tokyo?
도쿄에는 몇 개의 일간지가 있어요.
How many days?
How many days?
며칠 동안 쓸 건데
How many do I need?
How many do I need?
나한테 필요한 게 얼마나 있어?
How many do you need?
How many do you need?
몇 개 필요해?
How many do you take?
How many do you take?
얼마나 많이 가질 것인가요?
How many do you want?
How many do you want?
몇 개나 필요하세요?
How many ears of corn?
How many ears of corn?
옥수수는 몇 자루나 필요하세요?
How many exposures are left?
How many exposures are left?
필름이 몇 장 남았습니까?
How many exposures?
How many exposures?
필름 몇 장짜리로 드릴까요?
How many feature/movies S are there?
How many feature/movies S are there?
몇 편이 상영되고 있습니까?
How many for 2 portions?
How many for 2 portions?
2인분에 몇 개?
How many guests are coming?
How many guests are coming?
손님이 몇 명이나 오지?
How many in your family?
How many in your family?
당신 가족은 몇 명인가요?
How many in your group?
How many in your group?
일행이 몇 분이시죠?
How many in your party?
How many in your party?
일행이 몇 분이신가요?
How many kilometers?
How many kilometers?
몇 킬로미터나 되나요?
How many minutes by bus?
How many minutes by bus?
버스로 몇 분가량 걸립니까?
How many minutes on foot?
How many minutes on foot?
걸어서 몇 분가량 걸립니까?
How many of you?
How many of you?
몇 명이세요?
How many orders?
How many orders?
몇 인분 주문하시겠습니까?
How many pages were missing?
How many pages were missing?
몇 페이지나 누락됐었죠?
How many people/persons?
How many people/persons?
몇 분이십니까?
How many people are hurt?
How many people are hurt?
다친 사람이 몇 명이에요?
How many people have applied?
How many people have applied?
몇 명이나 지원했는데요?
How many people were there?
How many people were there?
몇 명이나 참석했어?
How many people will attend?
How many people will attend?
몇 사람이 참석할 것인가?
How many people will watch?
How many people will watch?
모두 몇 분이 관람하세요?
How many people would use?
How many people would use?
몇 명이 타죠?
How many people, sir?
How many people, sir?
몇 분이시죠?
How many people?
How many people?
몇 분이세요?
How many people/how many persons?
How many people/how many persons?
몇 분이십니까?
How many pictures are left?
How many pictures are left?
몇 장 남았나요?
How many places?
How many places?
몇 자리나요?
How many servings?
How many servings?
몇 인분 드릴까요?
How many should I take?
How many should I take?
몇 알씩 먹어야 하나요?
How many squares?
How many squares?
이거 몇 칸?
How many stars are there?
How many stars are there?
하늘에는 별이 얼마나 있나요?
How many stops from here?
How many stops from here?
여기서 몇 정거장 더 가야 하나요?
How many stops to Yatsuya?
How many stops to Yatsuya?
요스야까지 몇 정거장 남았어요?
How many strong are you?
How many strong are you?
너의 편의 인원은 어느 정도인가?
How many students are there?
How many students are there?
학생이 몇 명 정도 있어요?
How many things?
How many things?
몇 개나 있을까?
How many tickets?
How many tickets?
표 몇 장요?
How many times a day?
How many times a day?
하루에 몇 번이요?
How many times each day?
How many times each day?
매일 몇 번 먹는가?
How many were in attendance?
How many were in attendance?
얼마나 많이 참석했습니까?
How many will be staying?
How many will be staying?
몇 분이나 묵으실 건가요?
How many will that be?
How many will that be?
가족이 몇 명이나 되는데?
How many?
How many?
얼마나 많습니까?
How may I address you?
How may I address you?
호칭을 어떻게 할까요?
How may I assist you?
How may I assist you?
뭘 도와드릴까요?
How may I help you?
How may I help you?
어떻게 도와드릴까요?
How may I serve you?
How may I serve you?
어떻게 모실까요?
How mean a thought?
How mean a thought?
어쩌면 그렇게 상된 생각을 하느냐?
How meddlesome you are.
How meddlesome you are.
너도 어지간히 다사스럽구나.
How much a day?
How much a day?
하루에 얼마입니까?
How much a week?
How much a week?
일주일에 얼마입니까?
How much altogether?
How much altogether?
모두 얼마예요?
How much am I paying?
How much am I paying?
제가 얼마 내면 되죠?
How much and what for?
How much and what for?
얼마 그리고 뭐에 쓰려고?
How much are reserved seats?
How much are reserved seats?
지정석은 얼마입니까?
How much are the mugs?
How much are the mugs?
머그컵 얼마예요?
How much are these apples?
How much are these apples?
이 사과들 얼마예요?
How much are these coasters?
How much are these coasters?
이 컵 받침들 얼마예요?
How much are these earrings?
How much are these earrings?
이 귀걸이 얼마예요?
How much are these here?
How much are these here?
여기 이거 얼마죠?
How much are these jeans?
How much are these jeans?
이 청바지 얼마예요?
How much are these keychains?
How much are these keychains?
이 열쇠고리는 얼마예요?
How much are these shoes?
How much are these shoes?
이 신발 얼마예요?
How much are these ties?
How much are these ties?
이 넥타이들은 얼마입니까?
How much are these tomatoes?
How much are these tomatoes?
이 토마토들은 얼마입니까?
How much are these watches?
How much are these watches?
이 시계들은 얼마인가요?
How much are they?
How much are they?
모두 얼마인가요?
How much are those earrings?
How much are those earrings?
저 귀고리들 얼마예요?
How much are those shoes?
How much are those shoes?
저 구두가 얼마죠?
How much are those sunglasses?
How much are those sunglasses?
저 선글라스는 얼마인가요?
How much are those?
How much are those?
저것들은 얼마죠?
How much are tickets?
How much are tickets?
표가 얼마인가요?
How much are you asking?
How much are you asking?
얼마면 되겠습니까?
How much are you short?
How much are you short?
얼마나 모자라?
How much backup you want?
How much backup you want?
지원이 얼마나 필요합니까?
How much can customers save?
How much can customers save?
고객들은 얼마나 절약할 수 있는가?
How much can you afford?
How much can you afford?
얼마면 사실 수 있겠습니까?
How much can you drink?
How much can you drink?
술 얼마나 마실 수 있어?
How much can you pay?
How much can you pay?
얼마나 지불할 수 있어요?
How much can you spend?
How much can you spend?
얼마나 쓸 형편이 되니?
How much did it cost?
How much did it cost?
돈이 얼마나 들었어?
How much did she have?
How much did she have?
그 여자는 술을 얼마나 마셨는데요?
How much did you drink?
How much did you drink?
얼마나 마신 거야?
How much did you get?
How much did you get?
얼마 받았는데?
How much did you lose?
How much did you lose?
얼마나 잃었어?
How much did you pay?
How much did you pay?
얼마 줬는데요?
How much did you study?
How much did you study?
넌 얼마나 공부했는데?
How much did you win?
How much did you win?
당첨금이 얼마나 되는데?
How much do I need?
How much do I need?
얼마나 필요합니까?
How much do I owe?
How much do I owe?
얼마인가요?
How much do I pay?
How much do I pay?
사용료는 얼마나 되나요?
How much do you charge?
How much do you charge?
얼마를 받을 작정이냐?
How much do you get?
How much do you get?
얼마나 받으시죠?
How much do you have?
How much do you have?
현금 얼마나 있어요?
How much do you need?
How much do you need?
얼마나 필요한데?
How much do you pay?
How much do you pay?
얼마를 줍니까?
How much do you want?
How much do you want?
돈을 얼마나 원하는데?
How much do you weigh?
How much do you weigh?
당신의 몸무게는 얼마입니까?
How much do you weight?
How much do you weight?
체중이 얼마나 나가십니까?
How much does he weigh?
How much does he weigh?
그는 몸무게가 얼마나 됩니까?
How much does insurance cost?
How much does insurance cost?
보험료는 얼마입니까?
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
요금은 얼마나 나오나요?
How much does it weigh?
How much does it weigh?
그렇다면 얼마나 무거울까요?
How much does she need?
How much does she need?
그녀는 얼마나 필요해요?
How much down?
How much down?
먼저 현금을 얼마나 내야 합니까?
How much farther is it?
How much farther is it?
얼마나 더 가야 되죠?
How much farther?
How much farther?
얼마나 더 가야 하는데?
How much for a night?
How much for a night?
하룻밤에 얼마입니까?
How much for 1 hour?
How much for 1 hour?
한 시간에 얼마입니까?
How much for the lot?
How much for the lot?
모두 얼마요?
How much for 2 people?
How much for 2 people?
2명이면 얼마입니까?
How much further is it?
How much further is it?
그것이 얼마나 더 떨어져 있나요?
How much have you saved?
How much have you saved?
얼마나 모았는데?
How much in all?
How much in all?
합계가 얼마입니까?
How much in here?
How much in here?
얼마나 들었어?
How much in the tuition?
How much in the tuition?
수업료는 얼마예요?
How much in total / all?
How much in total / all?
전부 합쳐서 얼마예요?
How much is a dosage?
How much is a dosage?
1회 투약량은 얼마입니까?
How much is a dose?
How much is a dose?
1회 복용량이 얼마입니까?
How much is a glass?
How much is a glass?
한 잔의 가격은 얼마입니까?
How much is a rate?
How much is a rate?
하루 요금이 얼마입니까?
How much is a terabyte?
How much is a terabyte?
테라바이트는 얼마만큼입니까?
How much is admission?
How much is admission?
입장료가 얼마입니까?
How much is bus fare?
How much is bus fare?
요금이 얼마죠?
How much is business / executive class?
How much is business / executive class?
비즈니스 클래스는 얼마입니까?
How much is economy class?
How much is economy class?
이코노미 클래스는 얼마입니까?
How much is greens fee?
How much is greens fee?
골프장 이용료는 얼마예요?
How much is haulage?
How much is haulage?
수송비는 얼마인가요?
How much is it about?
How much is it about?
대략 얼마나 되니?
How much is it altogether?
How much is it altogether?
전부 얼마입니까?
How much is it discounted?
How much is it discounted?
가격이 얼마나 할인되죠?
How much is it order made?
How much is it order made?
이것은 주문 제작하면 얼마 정도 듭니까?
How much is it worth?
How much is it worth?
원래 얼마짜리인데?
How much is it?
How much is it?
얼마입니까?
How much is mine?
How much is mine?
저의 몫은 얼마지요?
How much is my balance?
How much is my balance?
통장에 잔금이 얼마 있어요?
How much is 1 gallon?
How much is 1 gallon?
이 가솔린당 얼마입니까?
How much is 1 video?
How much is 1 video?
비디오 한 편에 얼마예요?
How much is per guest?
How much is per guest?
게스트 그린피가 얼마인가요?
How much is priority mail?
How much is priority mail?
우선 취급 우편은 얼마인데요?
How much is that apple?
How much is that apple?
저 사과는 얼마예요?
How much is that cap?
How much is that cap?
저 야구모자 얼마예요?
How much is that paper?
How much is that paper?
그 신문 얼마죠?
How much is that?
How much is that?
얼마 드리면 되죠?
How much is the admission?
How much is the admission?
입장료는 얼마죠?
How much is the bill?
How much is the bill?
계산서가 얼마죠?
How much is the bonus?
How much is the bonus?
보너스는 얼마나 줍니까?
How much is the catch?
How much is the catch?
조건이 얼마야?
How much is the CD?
How much is the CD?
CD 얼마예요?
How much is the charge?
How much is the charge?
배달료는 얼마입니까?
How much is the deposit?
How much is the deposit?
보증금은 얼마예요?
How much is the estimate?
How much is the estimate?
견적이 얼마 나왔습니까?
How much is the fare?
How much is the fare?
요금이 얼마인가요?
How much is the fine?
How much is the fine?
벌금이 얼마입니까?
How much is the flight?
How much is the flight?
요금이 얼마죠?
How much is the insurance?
How much is the insurance?
보험은 얼마죠?
How much is the postage?
How much is the postage?
우편 요금은 얼마입니까?
How much is the rent?
How much is the rent?
임대료는 얼마지요?
How much is the ride?
How much is the ride?
놀이기구 얼마예요?
How much is the ring?
How much is the ring?
이 반지 얼마죠?
How much is the salary?
How much is the salary?
급여는 얼마예요?
How much is the tax?
How much is the tax?
세금은 얼마입니까?
How much is the ticket?
How much is the ticket?
입장권 얼마예요?
How much is the toll/charge?
How much is the toll/charge?
통행료는 얼마입니까?
How much is the total?
How much is the total?
총 얼마인가요?
How much is the tour?
How much is the tour?
투어는 얼마예요?
How much is this apple?
How much is this apple?
이 사과는 얼마예요?
How much is this blouse?
How much is this blouse?
이 블라우스 얼마예요?
How much is this book?
How much is this book?
이 책은 얼마입니까?
How much is this bookshelf?
How much is this bookshelf?
이 책장은 얼마죠?
How much is this cap?
How much is this cap?
이 야구모자 얼마예요?
How much is this computer?
How much is this computer?
이 컴퓨터 얼마입니까?
How much is this handbag?
How much is this handbag?
이 가방은 얼마예요?
How much is this lazaboy?
How much is this lazaboy?
이 안락의자 얼마입니까?
How much is this rug?
How much is this rug?
이 바닥 깔개는 얼마입니까?
How much is this scarf?
How much is this scarf?
이 스카프 얼마예요?
How much is this sofa?
How much is this sofa?
이 소파 얼마예요?
How much is this top?
How much is this top?
이 상의 탑은 얼마예요?
How much is this t-shirt?
How much is this t-shirt?
이 티셔츠는 얼마예요?
How much is this?
How much is this?
이거 얼마예요?
How much is tuition?
How much is tuition?
학비가 얼마입니까?
How much is your allowance?
How much is your allowance?
용도는 얼마예요?
How much longer to wait?
How much longer to wait?
언제까지 기다려야 돼요?
How much longer?
How much longer?
얼마나 더 기다려야 하죠?
How much money we've got?
How much money we've got?
우리 돈 얼마나 있지?
How much money?
How much money?
얼마를요?
How much per day?
How much per day?
하루에 얼마입니까?
How much room and board?
How much room and board?
먹고 자는 하숙비가 얼마입니까?
How much should I bring?
How much should I bring?
돈은 얼마나 가져가야 되지?
How much should I buy?
How much should I buy?
얼마 이상을 사야 합니까?
How much should I pay?
How much should I pay?
내가 얼마를 지불해야 하나요?
How much should I tip?
How much should I tip?
팁을 얼마나 주어야 할까?
How much should we leave?
How much should we leave?
얼마를 남겨두고 가야 하나요?
How much should we tip?
How much should we tip?
팁은 어느 정도 낼까요?
How much snow has fallen?
How much snow has fallen?
눈이 얼마나 내렸을까요?
How much sooner?
How much sooner?
얼마나 빨리?
How much that pearl necklace?
How much that pearl necklace?
진주 목걸이는 얼마입니까?
How much the deposit?
How much the deposit?
보증금은 얼마입니까?
How much they've gotten better?
How much they've gotten better?
많은 분께 보여드릴 수 있을 것 같아서 저 역시도 기분이 너무 좋네요.
How much time went by?
How much time went by?
시간이 얼마나 지나갔지?
How much tip?
How much tip?
봉사료는 얼마나 줘야 하죠?
How much to Hilton Hotel?
How much to Hilton Hotel?
힐튼 호텔까지 얼마입니까?
How much to Ueno?
How much to Ueno?
우에노까지 얼마죠?
How much transfer there?
How much transfer there?
얼마나 보내실 건가요?
How much was it?
How much was it?
그것은 얼마였어요?
How much was that watch Macallet?
How much was that watch Macallet?
그거 얼마예요?
How much was the call?
How much was the call?
통화료는 얼마입니까?
How much was the fine?
How much was the fine?
벌금은 얼마나 나왔어요?
How much was the stake?
How much was the stake?
당신이 내기에 건 돈이 얼마였나요?
How much were they?
How much were they?
얼마였는데?
How much were you charged?
How much were you charged?
벌금을 얼마나 물었습니까?
How much would be staggering?
How much would be staggering?
얼마가 충격적인 것일까?
How much?
How much?
얼마죠?
How much? Slash how much is it?
How much? Slash how much is it?
얼마입니까?
How must I do this?
How must I do this?
내가 이것을 어떻게 해야만 하니?
How naughty?
How naughty?
은큼해 정말.
How naughty? Very naughty.
How naughty? Very naughty.
은큼해. 아주 은큼해.
How nervous I was.
How nervous I was.
정말 긴장했어.
How nervy of him.
How nervy of him.
참 뻔뻔하기도 하지?
How nice he is.
How nice he is.
그는 얼마나 친절한가.
How nice I am.
How nice I am.
난 너무 좋은 사람이야.
How nice of you come.
How nice of you come.
내가 와주니 참 좋다.
How nice of you.
How nice of you.
정말 친절하시네요.
How nice that might feel.
How nice that might feel.
기분이 얼마나 좋을지.
How nice you are.
How nice you are.
정말 자상하네요.
How nice your skin is.
How nice your skin is.
어쩌면 피부가 그렇게 좋아요.
How nice you've come.
How nice you've come.
당신이 와서 너무 고마워요.
How nice.
How nice.
이렇게 고마울 때가 있나요?
How nice. Thanks, Mary.
How nice. Thanks, Mary.
친절하시기도 하시군요. 고마워요, 메리.
How nice. I envy you.
How nice. I envy you.
좋으시군요. 부럽습니다.
How noisy.
How noisy.
너무 시끄러워.
How now then.
How now then.
이건, 그건 또 어찌된 일인가.
How now. Daughter and cousin.
How now. Daughter and cousin.
오, 딸과 사촌아.
How odd it is.
How odd it is.
참, 별꼴이야.
How often do.
How often do.
얼마나 자주 하나요?
How often do buses run.
How often do buses run.
버스가 얼마나 자주 운행하나요?
How often do they run.
How often do they run.
몇 분 간격으로 옵니까?
How often do trains run.
How often do trains run.
기차가 얼마나 자주 운행하나요?
How often do trolleys run.
How often do trolleys run.
전차가 얼마나 자주 운행됩니까?
How often do you bowl.
How often do you bowl.
얼마나 자주 볼링 쳐요?
How often do you drink.
How often do you drink.
얼마나 자주 술을 드세요?
How often do you exercise.
How often do you exercise.
넌 얼마나 자주 운동을 하니?
How often do you golf.
How often do you golf.
골프장에 얼마나 자주 나가시죠?
How often do you study.
How often do you study.
얼마나 자주 공부해요?
How often do you that.
How often do you that.
그걸 얼마나 자주 하니?
How often do you travel.
How often do you travel.
얼마나 자주 여행을 하십니까?
How often do.
How often do.
얼마나 자주, 얼마마다 하나요?
How often does the come.
How often does the come.
가 얼마나 자주 오나요?
How often is too often.
How often is too often.
어만큼 자주가 너무 자주니?
How often the bus run.
How often the bus run.
버스는 얼마나 자주 옵니까?
How old are they.
How old are they.
그들은 몇 살입니까?
How old are you children.
How old are you children.
얘들아 몇 살이니?
How old are you child.
How old are you child.
얘야 몇 살이니?
How old are you Niall.
How old are you Niall.
너 나이가 어떻게 됐지? 나일.
How old are you son.
How old are you son.
몇 살이니? 얘야.
How old are you?
How old are you?
너는 몇 살이니?
How old do I look?
How old do I look?
제가 몇 살쯤 되어 보입니까?
How old does she look?
How old does she look?
그녀가 몇 살로 보이나요?
How old ID your sister? Ideas.
How old ID your sister? Ideas.
여동생의 나이가 어떻게 되나요?
How old is he?
How old is he?
그 사람이 몇 살이죠?
How old is it?
How old is it?
얼마나 오래됐는데?
How old is old?
How old is old?
나이가 드셨다니 몇이신가요?
How old is she?
How old is she?
지금 연세가 어떻게 되시죠?
How old is that boy?
How old is that boy?
저 남자아이는 몇 살이지?
How old is that girl?
How old is that girl?
저 여자아이는 몇 살이지?
How old is the child?
How old is the child?
그 아이는 몇 살입니까?
How old is this company?
How old is this company?
이 회사는 얼마나 오래됐어요?
How old is this problem?
How old is this problem?
이 문제는 얼마나 오래됐어요?
How old is this wine?
How old is this wine?
이 와인은 얼마나 오래됐어요?
How old is Uncle Louis?
How old is Uncle Louis?
루이스 삼촌 연세가 어떻게 돼요?
How old is your boss?
How old is your boss?
당신의 상사는 몇 살입니까?
How old is your car?
How old is your car?
당신 차 얼마나 됐어요?
How old is your church?
How old is your church?
귀하의 교회는 얼마나 오래되었나요?
How old is your company?
How old is your company?
당신의 회사는 연지 얼마나 오래되었나요?
How old is your country?
How old is your country?
당신 나라는 언제 세워졌나요?
How old is your daughter?
How old is your daughter?
따님이 몇 살인가요?
How old is your mother?
How old is your mother?
어머니는 연세가 어떻게 되십니까?
How old is your nephew?
How old is your nephew?
당신 조카는 몇 살이에요?
How old is your niece?
How old is your niece?
조카가 몇 살이죠?
How old is your pop?
How old is your pop?
내 아버지 연세가 어떻게 되셔?
How old is your sister?
How old is your sister?
당신 여동생 몇 살입니까?
How old was he?
How old was he?
그분 연세가 어떻게 되세요?
How old will she be?
How old will she be?
할머니 연세가 어떻게 되는데?
How open this wicket?
How open this wicket?
이 개찰구를 통과하는 법을 가르쳐 주세요.
How people interact matters.
How people interact matters.
사람들이 어떻게 상호작용을 하는가가 중요하지.
How perceptive you are.
How perceptive you are.
당신은 정말 통찰력이 있군요.
How perfect I am.
How perfect I am.
난 너무 완벽해.
How perfectly awful.
How perfectly awful.
정말 더할 수 없이 끔찍하군.
How pity.
How pity.
정말 안 됐구나.
How pleased I am.
How pleased I am.
이 얼마나 즐거운 일인가.
How polite they are.
How polite they are.
그들은 참 친절도 하군요.
How predictable.
How predictable.
예상했던 대로야.
How prestigious is that honor.
How prestigious is that honor.
그 상은 얼마나 명예로운 것일까?
How pretty she is.
How pretty she is.
그녀는 정말 예쁘다.
How pretty.
How pretty.
너무 예뻐요.
How proud of you.
How proud of you.
내가 정말 자랑스럽구나.
How provoking.
How provoking.
참 안타깝다.
How quick time passes.
How quick time passes.
세월 가는 것이 참 빠르구나.
How quickly is that?
How quickly is that?
이것은 얼마나 빨랐느냐?
How quickly time flies.
How quickly time flies.
시간이 참 빨리 흘러요.
How recent is that magazine?
How recent is that magazine?
저 잡지는 얼마나 최근 거야?
How recent was this?
How recent was this?
얼마나 최신으로 있었던 일인데?
How regrettable.
How regrettable.
너무 유감스럽네요.
How ridiculously amusing.
How ridiculously amusing.
참으로 요절할 노릇이다.
How romantic.
How romantic.
정말 낭만적이에요.
How rude can you be?
How rude can you be?
너 어떻게 그렇게 무례할 수가 있니?
How rude.
How rude.
무례하기는
How ruthless you are.
How ruthless you are.
어떻게 그렇게 냉혹할 수가 있어요?
How sad he looks.
How sad he looks.
그가 너무나 슬퍼 보이네요.
How sad that is.
How sad that is.
정말 슬픈 일이야.
How sad.
How sad.
어라나 슬픈 일인가.
How say you.
How say you.
당신의 생각은?
How selfish of you.
How selfish of you.
참 너 이기주의적이다.
How selfish.
How selfish.
정말 이기적이야.
How sensitive are hawks.
How sensitive are hawks.
매는 얼마나 예민할까요?
How sensitive is the microphone.
How sensitive is the microphone.
마이크의 감도는 어떻습니까?
How serious is your injury.
How serious is your injury.
부상 상태는 어떻습니까?
How shall I address you.
How shall I address you?
어떻게 불러드리면 될까요?
How shall I do it.
How shall I do it?
어떻게 하면 좋을까요?
How shall I put it.
How shall I put it?
어떻게 말하면 좋을까?
How shall I put this.
How shall I put this?
내가 이걸 어찌 표현해야 할까요?
How shall I say it.
How shall I say it?
어떻게 말하면 좋죠?
How shall I say this.
How shall I say this?
어떻게 얘기해야 할까요?
How shall I write it.
How shall I write it?
그것을 어떻게 써야 할까?
How shall we celebrate.
How shall we celebrate?
우리 어떻게 기념할까요?
How shockingly expensive.
How shockingly expensive.
엄청나게 비싸군.
How short are you.
How short are you?
얼마나 부족하냐?
How short.
How short?
얼마나 짧게요?
How should I address her.
How should I address her?
그녀를 뭐라고 불러야 되는 거지?
How should I address you.
How should I address you?
뭐라고 부를까요?
How should I cut it.
How should I cut it?
머리를 어떻게 해드릴까요?
How should I dress.
How should I dress?
어떤 옷을 입으면 좋을까요?
How should I end this.
How should I end this?
마무리를 어떻게 할까?
How should I fasten this.
How should I fasten this?
이걸 어떻게 고정시키면 좋을까?
How should I finish up.
How should I finish up?
어떻게 마무리할까?
How should I get there.
How should I get there?
거기는 어떻게 가야 합니까?
How should I know that.
How should I know that?
제가 어떻게 알겠어요?
How should I know.
How should I know?
내가 어떻게 알아?
How should I put it.
How should I put it?
뭐랄까?
How should I put this.
How should I put this?
뭐라고 설명해야 할까요?
How should I say it.
How should I say it?
뭐라고 말하면 좋을까?
How should I seduce Luda.
How should I seduce Luda?
루다를 어떻게 유혹하지?
How should I style it.
How should I style it?
어떤 스타일로 해드릴까요?
How should I take it.
How should I take it?
어떻게 찍어줄까?
How should pull this out.
How should pull this out?
근데 이걸 어떻게 뽑지?
How should we do that.
How should we do that?
어떻게 해드려야 하죠?
How should we end.
How should we end?
마무리 어떻게 할까?
How should we take this.
How should we take this?
이거 어떻게 받아들여야 되지?
How sick is this woman.
How sick is this woman?
이 여성은 얼마나 아프죠?
How silly is that.
How silly is that?
정말 바보 같죠?
How slim I am.
How slim I am.
난 너무 날씬해.
How slovenly I am today.
How slovenly I am today.
오늘은 내 꼴이 엉망이로군.
How sly I am.
How sly I am.
난 역시 똑똑해.
How small is the puppy.
How small is the puppy.
그 강아지는 얼마나 작아?
How smart he is.
How smart he is.
그는 얼마나 영리한가?
How so.
How so.
왜, 어째서, 그런가?
How soft this is.
How soft this is.
이것은 얼마나 부드러운가?
How some.
How some.
얼마나 예뻐요?
How soon can we leave.
How soon can we leave?
저희가 언제쯤 떠날 수 있죠?
How soon can you finish.
How soon can you finish?
얼마나 빨리 끝낼 수 있어요?
How soon can.
How soon can?
얼마나 빨리 할 수 있나요?
How soon will you leave?
How soon will you leave?
당신은 언제쯤 떠날 것입니까?
How sour these grapes taste.
How sour these grapes taste.
이신 포도.
How speed you.
How speed you.
잘 되어 갑니까? 어떻게 지내십니까?
How strange, slash odd slash weird slash freaky slash spooky slash bizarre.
How strange, slash odd slash weird slash freaky slash spooky slash bizarre.
별 해괴한 일이 다 있군.
How strong are your glasses?
How strong are your glasses?
당신의 안경은 도수가 몇입니까?
How strong is the microscope?
How strong is the microscope?
현미경의 강도가 얼마만 하니?
How surprising.
How surprising.
놀랍군요.
How surprising.
How surprising.
놀라운데요.
How sweet of him.
How sweet of him.
그는 정말 착해.
How sweet of you.
How sweet of you.
아이고 예뻐라.
How sweet that music is.
How sweet that music is.
음악 참 감미롭네요.
How sweet.
How sweet.
얼마나 자상하신지.
How sweet.
How sweet.
친절도 하셔라.
How tall are you?
How tall are you?
키가 얼마예요?
How tall he is.
How tall he is.
참 키가 크구나.
How tall is he?
How tall is he?
그는 키가 얼마나 큽니까?
How tall is that gate?
How tall is that gate?
저 대문은 얼마나 높습니까?
How tall is the bridge?
How tall is the bridge?
이 다리의 높이는 어느 정도일까요?
How tall is this tree?
How tall is this tree?
이 나무는 높이가 얼마나 될까?
How tall is your sister?
How tall is your sister?
내 언니는 키가 얼마니?
How tall was he slash she?
How tall was he slash she?
아기 키는 얼마나 되죠?
How the mighty have fallen.
How the mighty have fallen.
어디까지 추락하려고 그래?
How then could we tell?
How then could we tell?
그렇다면 우리는 어떻게 구분할 수 있을까?
How they hanging?
How they hanging?
컨디션은 어때?
How thorough should I be?
How thorough should I be?
얼마나 철저해야 할까요?
How thoughtful of you.
How thoughtful of you.
정말 배려심이 깊군요.
How thoughtful was I?
How thoughtful was I?
내가 얼마나 배려심이 깊었니?
How time drags.
How time drags.
시간 참 안 가네.
How time flies.
How time flies.
세월은 쏜살 같구나.
How times have changed.
How times have changed.
세상이 많이 좋아졌어.
How tiresome.
How tiresome.
아이 속상해.
How to avoid choking.
How to avoid choking.
어떻게 하면 숨막힘을 피할까?
How to be brave.
How to be brave.
어떻게 용감해질 수 있죠?
How to concentrate in class.
How to concentrate in class.
수업 시간에 집중하는 방법.
How to gank farm juggernaut.
How to gank farm juggernaut.
레벨이 높은 가면 무사를 갱킹하는 방법.
How to make a call.
How to make a call.
전화 거는 법을 가르쳐 주세요.
How to reduce snoring.
How to reduce snoring.
어떻게 하면 코골이를 줄일 수 있을까요?
How to remove adware manually.
How to remove adware manually.
매뉴얼로 애드웨어를 제거하는 방법.
How to spot the winners.
How to spot the winners.
우승할 말들을 알아맞히는 법.
How to treat mosquito bites.
How to treat mosquito bites.
모기 물린 곳을 치료하는 방법.
How to wear.
How to wear.
어떻게 입습니까?
How true that is.
How true that is.
참, 그렇구나.
How true.
How true.
정말 그렇다니까.
How trustworthy are the statistics.
How trustworthy are the statistics.
어떤 통계, 수치가 얼마나 믿을 만한가.
How typical you are.
How typical you are.
그렇게 하다니 너답다.
How unpleasant.
How unpleasant.
아이. 속상해.
How very domestic.
How very domestic.
대단히 가정적이군.
How vexing.
How vexing.
참 안타깝다.
How vicious he is.
How vicious he is.
저런 못된 놈이 있나?
How warm-hearted she is.
How warm-hearted she is.
그녀는 얼마나 마음이 따뜻한가.
How was baseball practice?
How was baseball practice?
야구 연습은 어땠니?
How was class today?
How was class today?
오늘 수업 어땠어요?